Verification. To get full access to all company's services, you need to complete the profile verification. You can do it step by step, entering the information into pop-up windows requested by the company as and when necessary. Or you can verify your LiteForex profile right away, so that you won't get back to this matter. You will find all necessary information about your verification status in the Settings section of your profile. Proof of identity. Full name, sex, and date of birth, which you need to prove by submitting the scans of the corresponding documents. Prove your residence address, which you are to prove by submitting the scans of the corresponding documents. Trader's profile. It includes the information about you as a managing trader, privacy settings, and the commission fee you will receive when your account is copied by other investors. Besides, in case of depositing by a bank card, you'll need to upload the scans of the card both sides, covering the card verification value number. After you have filled in all the boxes on the form, your account will have the highest degree of verification, which, among others, will provide its full security.